Hi there, it's Jeremy Hallworth with Remax Professionals. I'm here at my latest listing at 98 Wiljac in Renforth, New Brunswick. This is a 2+2 bedroom, 1-bath home. It offers a great location just off the Fox Farm Road. Down the street is the Renforth Beach, the Riverside Golf and Country Club, as well. It's smack dab between the shopping districts of Rothesay and Saint John. It also has some of the best schools around. This is a perfect starter home for someone. Let's go take a look around.